Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for joining. Today I wanna talk about the new addition. There are a few changes I have done actually, and the noob tester is at 0.1 uh 17 actually. So I'm adding like few minor patches into it, and there are a few nice functionalities I've added. There are a few comments I've seen actually which ask for some nice functionalities and all. Believe me, I'm working on them. But I just don't want to add a functionality just for the sake. I just want to like make it better. I'm on the progress. There are a few things I'm adding as a stepping stone for it, and I've also heard that there is a problem with my voice, and somebody asked me to like normalize it. Yeah, I'll do it the sooner I figure it out. Actually, just give me some time. But before further ado, let's just jump into like what all I have added. So this is more of gonna be a info session. I will give more info on like how to use these functionalities later, but this is just like a update video. So let's go ahead. So this was the project I was actually showing as earlier, and I've made changes to the way test cases run now. In this case, you can see here there is a test case, and it's now one of them is pending, the other one is passed. So every time you try to like run a test case using the agents, it just pulls a new one and claims it and puts it inside. So I have changed this flow. So this will be shown in the next video, uh, like how it's supposed to work. So it's not going to work like this anymore. It's going to have a better workflow, trust me. And It's going to claim everything all at once actually, and then whatever that is like being running, it will show as running, and then whatever that is like not running, it will just be in the pending cases. So the more agents you run, it will just come and keep on taking like new pending ones and stuff and all. It's fun. I'll show you guys actually. And along with that, I've also added like visual runs. So I don't have one here yet because I'm saving this for the next video also. So how a exploratory run works, you just like check if the functionality passes or not. In the visual run, you actually compare your snapshots, your screenshots and stuff and all. So that's more fun, and it's more for like people who wants to check use it for visual regression and stuff. I'll show you guys also. That's also much cool one. Scheduler, that's you won't have it now actually. It's only in this build I'm showing actually. It's not part of like the 1.7 build. But yeah, pool is something new that I have added actually. In the previous video, I've shown you guys how to use a swarm. So you can peek into like the current running test. This is one of the reasons why this video is not about the demo, because I'm still working on the swarm part where like I want to run like 5, 10 agents in parallel that are running like multiple test cases actually, and then I just want all of them to show up here. I'm working on it, trust me, but it will be there. It will be ready soon. But yeah, but pool is the way you can do that. You can literally like configure an agent, and that agent will simply uh, target a particular Jira ticket with what it's supposed to test with, and then it will just create a lot of agents actually that target towards verifying one ticket and its functional cases. It's like a swarm of like agents that just has one goal, that is like to make sure that that feature that you ship is sound and safe, you know. I will show you guys like this one too soon. And There are a few things I've added actually. There is going to be some changes going to come into like UI maps. The UI map as of it is right now, it works okay, there is no problem at all. I'm actually like gonna add some more changes for UI maps too. It's not changed. It's just still the same actually, so you don't have to worry. But there's a lot of changes actually coming, and pretty soon I'm gonna add some API cases also for you guys to see. And there is now files functionality. So what you can do, I think in one of the videos I've mentioned earlier that this tool still cannot upload files and test and stuff and all. Well, no longer. Okay, now if your test cases involves like uploading a file or something like that, you can actually like do that using this particular UI. You simply like add a file, and then whenever a test case that comes through a block where like it has to use a file, it will intelligently pick from either here, or if you have mentioned something in the agent, then it will just take it from there. um, I'm gonna play more actually like how to make it much more better in the future cases, but you will get the gist. You know how it's gonna do, how it's gonna go actually. So those cases will work fine now. And finally we have a lot of changes to the settings. Okay, you can see in the general it's still like rough sketch. Okay, this general settings is gonna pack a lot of punch in the future. I'm gonna add a lot of stuff actually here. It's easily configurable, and then we have the proper simple setup, which is just dependencies in this case. And you can see like where are the skills, because last time when I showed you guys there were some skills here, because I moved them all to Claude. Because we know that I'm writing most of the skills based on like the Claude's way. So, and I, as I promised before, I have plans to like support multiple AI providers. So that work will actually like start soon. So that's why I've moved for Claude here, and then I will add like multiple AI providers, maybe a custom one actually, in case you guys want to like build something customized. But yeah, but that's why it's here. And you can see a new one called workspaces. Okay, so that's because you can see here now I have multiple workspaces. So based on which workspace I am, I can actually like switch between tasks. So this is more for people who juggles with like personal projects and your professional projects. So I've realized that there are people who would be there out there like me, who wants to try it out in something personal first before actually like going to try it in some other, their professional works. I'm not talking environment. I'm talking more like workflow wise actually. So somewhere the safe space where they can like practice and use it, so that they won't affect anything in the actual professional space. Some can do it actually. So that's why I've created this workspace where it's just spawns up literally different databases actually, where things like get handled in a separate way. And you can create new workspaces. You can copy a workspace actually from here. You can copy from a workspace, and it will show you like what other workspaces are there, and it will show you like what is the active one. I did add like a default workspace which you cannot delete, but because it's just the default one, you can do whatever you want. You can like clean it up and stuff and all. And the cleanup work, earlier it was only commands, so you have to run like noob tester cleanup commands to like clean up everything. Now I have also added like these functionalities where you can simply like target something and clean it up. And also you can clean up all data. And the nuke button will delete your secrets, your files, and a few other things, repos and stuff and all. So that's what nuke will do, but you have to use both of them to clean everything out of a single workspace. But that's it. And the docs are updated actually based on like all the new functionalities that I'm talking about. I also have plans to think of some other things actually, like to reduce the token usage and stuff. But these are all like slowly progressing, and there is a lot of skills now, believe it or not. We have some new skills actually in play. I will actually like make you guys check it out. There is a new climb now which works completely differently than how the climb used to work before. And there is also like a new visual and new um, uh, new climb visual, yes. And then there is also a test case where there is also a skill where you can create visual test cases. I'm not showing them here because I just want to make a video of those things and then show them like in the upcoming videos. But yeah, but wait for them. I will show all those functionalities actually soon. But this is it. This is what I want to show you guys actually for now. And this is like a simple like you know uh, update on where things are. And I'm still doing the project, and I'm still like doing some updates, and a lot of functionalities are coming your way. And that's it for your like a release update actually, you can say. And I'll see you guys in the next session. And if you have tried already like several things and you want to like give a comment or something, uh, please do it actually. I'll be helpful, I guess. I hope. But yeah, thank you all. Bye bye.